Have you ever sent a message immediately and spotted a typos after hitting send? Or spent hours writing something unsure if it is actually sounds professional or not? Today I'm reviewing Grammarly website, one of the most powerful AI assistants in the world, and I will show you whether it is actually worth it or no in 2026. Let's jump in. So, Grammarly is AI powered writing assistants to help you to write clearly, correctly, and confidently. It works on the Grammarly websites, browser extension, Microsoft Words, email platforms, and even your phone keyboards as well. Whether you are students, content creator, business professionals, or just someone who write email daily, Grammarly promises to improve your writing skills instantly. So when you visit a Grammarly website, the first thing that you will see, the dashboard is clean and professional, and design is very simple, easy to navigate, which is great for the beginners as well. So once you log in this Grammarly website, you can create a new documents, upload a new documents, and check your Grammarly instantly. On the right side, Grammarly gives you suggestions and the categories into the correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. This makes it easy to understand. Now let's talk about the key features. So Grammarly detects the spelling mistakes as well as punctuation error. Grammarly analyzes your writing tones and tells you whether it sounds confident, formal, friendly, or too aggressive. It helps to generate ideas, rewrite sentence, shorten your expand content, and improve your overall structures, like having a built-in writing course in your browsers. So now let's talk about is this free version enough or no? In free version, you can cover a basic grammar and spelling checks and limited clarity suggestion, but in premium versions, the advanced grammar check, tone adjustment, full sentence rewrites, and plagiarism detection as well. If you are a casual user, the free version is great, but if you are students, blogger, or the business writers, and the premium version can definitely be worth it. So now let's see the pros and cons. Some of the pros are very easy to use, real-time corrections, work across the multiple platforms, and great for non-native English speakers. Whereas some cons are premium can feel expensive, sometimes oversuggest changes, not 100% perfect, but you still need some human adjustment. Remember, it's not a tool, not a replacement for your brain. So let's see some of the Trustpilot reviews of Grammarly website. It's showing 3.6 on average, where 5 star 69% and 1 star 8%. Let's read some 5-star reviews. It's saying the tool has been very helpful for all. I was grateful for the Grammarly, highly recommended, 7 days trial, shut up. I've been with this company for a refund, great support. Grammarly is a very good tool. Let's see some 1-star reviews as well. It's showing, are they taking advantage of school kids to make a profit? Awful so far. Notice end of the free trial. Product constant breaks, unethical subscription service, fake advertising, scam. So if you write emails, blogspot, assignment, scripts, or social media caption, then yes, Grammarly seriously improve your writing skills, quality, and the confidence. If you find this review helpful, Like this video, subscribe this channel and comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.